Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute audio on the Zoom app. So let's start. First, open the Zoom app. I have already entered into a meeting. And now if you want to mute your microphone, then tap anywhere on the screen. Now tap on the microphone icon on bottom left corner and your microphone will be muted. And if you are the host and you want to mute all other participants, then tap on anywhere on the screen. Now tap on participants and tap mute all from bottom right corner. And if you want to allow participants to mute themselves, then mark the checkbox. And if you don't want that, then unmark the checkbox and tap on mute all. And all other participants will be muted. And that's how you can mute audio on Zoom meeting. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.